Never wash windows again? Tired of streaky windows? What if I told you there's a robot for that? This compact window cleaning robot from ECOVACS is a game changer. It's designed to clean even small, tricky windows with ease. The WINBOT Mini uses ultrasonic spray and intelligent path planning. It navigates around obstacles and cleans edges like a pro. Plus, it has a 9-stage protection system for safety. Imagine sparkling, clean windows without lifting a finger. Perfect for busy professionals and homeowners. It's currently on sale. Ready to ditch window cleaning forever? Head to the product page on Amazon through the link in the description to learn more and grab your ECOVACS WINBOT Mini today. You can also visit the ECOVACS store for more smart home solutions. Don't miss out on this amazing deal.